In a massive tender for 5,450 electric buses floated by Convergence Energy Services Ltd, under the FAME2 scheme, Tata Motors has emerged as the lowest bidder. The tenders were opened by Ministry of Heavy Industries on Tuesday and contain the largest ever aggregation of 5,450 buses across 5 major cities of Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Surat. Other automakers who took part in this tender were Switch Mobility, the electric vehicle counterpart of Ashok Leyland, Evey Trans of the Olectra Group, and VECV, a joint venture between Volvo Group and Eicher Motors. The bidding was conducted across 5 categories that included 12-meter low-floor AC and non-AC e-buses, 12-meter standard floor non-AC and 9-meter standard floor AC and non-AC buses. The prices quoted by Tata Motors were the lowest ever and were on par or close to operational cost of diesel buses. The buses will take advantage of the FAME2 subsidy offered by the Government of India, which in turn will relate to 361 crores rupees, which could be used to procure additional e-buses. The terms of contract are for a period of 12 years, with assured 10 lakh kilometers per bus. As per calculations, the electric buses from Tata Motors will operate around 4.71 billion kilometers over the next 12 years. This will help save 1.88 billion liters of fossil fuel and result in 3.31 million tons of CO2 tailpipe emissions, making strong progress in terms of climate change. As a part of this tender, there will be a total of 25,000 job opportunities raised, out of which 10% is reserved for women. This does not include any added employment created through new manufacturing facilities. Thanks for watching.